Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by making sure Maps can record your movement. Open the Google Maps app and sign into your account. Make sure location and background location are allowed so tracking continues if the screen locks. Once done, tap the blue location dot on screen. This gives options. Select the walking mode or begin timeline tracking. You're now actively preparing the app to record distance and pace, which lets you review route details later and keep steps alive. Now you monitor your walk in real time. You'll switch to walking directions or open timeline to see live progress. Distance, estimated time, and current pace appear as you move. Make sure to use pause if you stop for break and resume when you continue. This prevents false distance. Also, keep the phone allowed to run the app in background or set the screen timeout appropriately, because losing GPS updates will fragment the route and reduce accuracy. To finish, stop the recording and save the activity to your timeline so you can review route, distance, and total time later. You can export a screenshot or copy summary details to log or share with others. If tracking fails, first toggle location services and background location, then restart the Maps app. Make sure battery saver is off and airplane mode is disabled. These quick fixes resolve most issues, so your next walk records cleanly and consistently.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.